I love my new kitchen. It's got fabulous storage. It's got huge workspaces. It is absolutely my dream kitchen. It's been the best renovation experience I've ever had. The finish when the install is done is perfect. It's like a brand new kitchen. My old kitchen felt like a dungeon. It was very dated. It just didn't function. With limited counter space, limited storage, and it sucked all the light out of that part of the house. The reface gave us the whole look we wanted, the functionality we wanted, without having to completely destroy the old kitchen. You've got the benefits of being cost effective as well as being environmentally friendly. The bonus of working with Dream Doors is that you're involved in every step of the process. They listen to what suits your family and your family's needs. They actually installed ahead of what we thought they were going to. The whole thing was just flowed beautifully, which you don't normally expect when a house is being renovated. It just worked.